What is up, my beautiful people? It is King Blood. So a thought just came to my mind and I feel like I want to share it. Even though I feel like it would be like something very hard to come to reality based off the ego and all the bad living, but me still have to say me and say, because you know Blur does speak for him mind, you know, who are vex can vex. So, Elaine Thompson Shellyann Fraser price, Sherika Jackson. Me feel like say it would have been better if three of them are trained at the same place. One coach was specialized just to three of them. You have the doctors and specialized just to three of them. All of that. You understand me? All of the chemistry them I tell you there. All of the energy there. All of the creative force there. Me I tell you say yo Jano. Them will be untouchable. You understand me? And yes, them still be competitive on the track. You know, because everybody wanna be number one. You understand me? Nobody know what come last. So you know, so them still are go hard when them go on the track. But all of that big energy that may I tell people, all of that chemistry that Jano may I tell them, just imagine. Just imagine the motivation. Elaine come to training, you know, so Shelly gonna say, hey, you know come training, you miss out, you know, and guess her up. Make sure for forward. Sherika Jackson now come training, Elaine Thompson and Shellyann Fraser price. Yes, sir, and say, what you do? I'm not training if one of them now go on good enough. You understand them? Guess up each other and say, yo, come. You understand me? And I motivate each other. Just imagine the momentum and the power if three of them are trained together. This is just my opinion. So you can comment and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. It is King Blood. Bless up on yourself. One love. One love, you know, and a two love or three love. One love. Bless up.